CR 5668, State of Texas versus Richard Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
That done for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Lord.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with assault family second offense? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain attorney to cross-examine and confront any. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
This is a critical moment right here. The judge is making sure the defendant fully understands that this isn't a slap on the wrist. This is a third-degree felony with real prison time attached. Courts do this carefully so no one can later claim, "I didn't know what I was agreeing to." Once he says yes, that door closes fast.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation.
No contest might sound harmless, but legally it's powerful. It means the defendant isn't fighting the charge, and the court can treat it almost the same as a guilty plea for sentencing. Viewers, would you ever take a no contest plea if prison time was on the table?
And no harmful or injurious contact with Angela Cervantes. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states 1 and attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
We have been able to get a hold of the complainant, Your Honor, and they have made it clear their lack of interest in.
Notice what just happened. No live witnesses, no dramatic testimony. This is all paperwork, reports, and stipulations. That speeds things up, but it also means the judge is relying heavily on what's written, not emotions in the courtroom.
Supporting the district attorney's office.
All right. You may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is huge. The judge says there's enough evidence to find him guilty, but then pauses the final conviction through deferred adjudication. Translation. This is his second chance, but it comes with strict conditions. One wrong move, and this turns into a full conviction.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If we may, Your Honor.
All right, the previous assault case he has, who was that alleged? Well, not alleged. Who was that against?
Tone shifts right here. The judge isn't just sentencing anymore. She's diagnosing a pattern. 2 assault cases, nowhere to go, found in a drainage ditch. This isn't about one bad night. It's about repeated choices. Do you think accountability finally clicks at moments like this?
Angelo Cervantes?
The previous one.
Amber Rose Jimenez.
All right, Amber Rose Jimenez, and now it's Angela Cervantes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your issue?
I don't have an issue.
Well, I mean, you're here for your second assault, so obviously there's an issue. It appears that she wanted you to leave her residence and she was breaking up with you. Was that your residence?
I was living there at the time.
Was it an apartment?
No, it was a house.
Was your name on the lease of that home? Yeah. So she didn't want you there anymore.
Right.
So you don't have anywhere else you can go?
Well, no, not at the time I didn't.
Do you have any family members?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, dad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they in Bexar County?
Yes, ma'am.
So why can you go to them?
Oh, I can now.
No, I mean, why can you go? I would like to think, and if I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. If somebody were to kick you out of their home today, there is a family member where you can knock on the door and say, hey, I just got kicked out. Can I stay here?
Right.
As opposed to, according to this, they found you in a drainage ditch. So what don't you understand when people don't want to be with you?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I think he's had a lot of time to mull that over. He's been in custody the last 4 months, and I asked him specifically about this instance, leading up to his arrest. He said that it was out of character for him.
This is the moral core of the hearing. The judge lays it out plainly. When a relationship ends, you leave. Violence is never an option. No legal jargon, no fluff. Just a line that every defendant, and honestly, every viewer needs to hear.
He just found out it was a toxic relationship with this individual. He said he's not going to even consider getting back with that individual, that bridge has been burned, and he's looking more so to work on himself. And
So why is outside the agreement no harmful or injurious contact with Angela Cervantes?
I think it's because Judge, she didn't really want to testify. I don't think there would be any issue if it was a change to a no contact order. She didn't really want to proceed because she stated to me, and I believe the district attorney's office, that was out of his character as long as she has known him, and she doesn't want him to be confined more than he's already been confined for the last 4 months, Judge.
All right, so it may be her experience that it's out of character for him, but he has a previous assault case. You can't go around hitting on people. Guess what? When a relationship is over, you need to leave. And if you are in a relationship with somebody, and either if it's the female or the male or whoever's in the relationship, if you get to the point that you want to put your hands on somebody in violence, don't do it. You leave. That's when you know the relationship is over. If you think someone is cheating on you, you have a choice. Either I think this person is cheating on me, but guess what? I'm going to accept it and stay with them. Or either I'm not going to accept it. I'm going to leave. It never should get to the point of violence. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And what is the tattoo on your neck for?
Oh, this is my daughter's thing. So,
All right. That's good. I always tell people, if you're going to put a name on your body, it should be either your mom, because they're supposed to love you, or either a child, because you're always supposed to love them. When's the last time you were employed?
let's see, about 6 months ago or so. I never had a problem having a job. Always had a job.
How many children do you have?
3.
What are their ages?
Got an 11-year-old boy, 10-year-old girl, and a 9-year-old boy.
All right. So do you have the 11-year-old and the 9-year-old's name on your body? That's either yes or no.
No.
All right. So do they feel like maybe you don't love them as much because you have Sophia tattooed all across your neck? Where's the 9-year-old and 11-year-old's name?
Right. Well,
I mean, these are just questions.
I know. I just
Down the pipeline, Judge.
I don't know how that's relevant, but
Because I'm asking it
okay.
and I want my questions answered.
maybe Sue get it.
No, I mean, you don't have to. I'm just wondering, do
Okay.
your children feel some sort of way if you only tattoo one child's name on your body?
She may be the princess, Judge, because it's
Yeah,
a girl, so that's why it's a cater to her.
Well, he should put Princess Sophia.
That may be coming too. I don't know. Hopefully not. Want to hopefully stray away from any more ink at this point. Richard.
Any drug use?
No, man, I've been clean for a year.
All right, and what was your previous drug?
It was methamphetamine. I was on it for 12 years and I've been recovered addict for a full year.
That's
Probably.
And how far did you go in school?
Graduated high school.
And what type of employment have you had?
I've been a cook for the past 13 years.
Where?
Denny's, probably every Denny's in San Antonio, Metropolitan Methodist Hospital, Northeast Methodist Hospital, Cracker Barrel, IHOP,
breakfast places or diners, kind of things like that.
breakfast places.
And if you release, who would you be living with?
My mother.
All right, have you asked her if you can live with her?
Yes, we had gone over just briefing about it, but I'm sure I will be able to.
Well, no, people always assume they can live with their parents, but did you talk to her and say, Mom, when I get released, may I live with you?
Yes and no. Kind
What does that mean?
Kind of put it out there, but
And she hasn't picked it up. So you threw it out there and she hasn't picked it
I'm
up.
sure she will say yes. Sure she will.
So we don't know where he's going to be living. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Angela Cervantes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. And the children that you have is Angela Cervantes the mother of any of them?
No more.
There is to be an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course. And I'm going to order that he stay at lifetime recovery.
Well, there's actually a ministry that I was staying with before, the San Antonio Christian Church Discipleship School Ministry off Days of Honor Road. And from there, kind of got taken out, moved in quick with Angela, lived with her for about 3 months, and it was a vicious cycle of her kicking me out
All right.
and calling me back.
Oh, well, we're going to help you out right here. So I'm giving you your orders. You're going in lifetime recovery.
Yes, Judge.
There's going to be a TAP evaluation. What's the length of time of TAP in custody? All right, so that'll be a TAP evaluation while in custody as well. Follow TAP recommendations, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors, and field visits one time for 4 months. There's to be regular random UAs, and then regular reporting. I already said regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Probation, is there anything else he needs? He's going to be staying at lifetime recovery. And you're going to be at lifetime recovery until I allow you to leave Lifetime Recovery. So there will be none of this. I just met a new girl, so I'm leaving Lifetime Recovery. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right. We can go off the record. So let me just tell you something. Do I want to be in anybody's business? No. I would love if we lived in a world where everybody could be in their own business instead of being in other people's business. I ask questions because guess what? The only thing I know about you is that you've assaulted a person twice. Somebody that you've been in a relationship that you supposedly love. That's all I know about you. So I ask these questions so I can learn more about you. For example, the name Sophia. Who is that? Is that some other female that you've gotten so deep in that you want to put her name on your neck? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excused.
Yes.